So my equation has to do, so I have to find the general solution of this equation of y prime minus 8y equals to 18 times exponential to 11x. To start, I would find the standard form of the equation, which this is already in. So now I want to find the integrating factor, which would be the px here, which is negative 8, which I would find the integral of when raised to the exponent, which gets us negative 8x. And now I want to multiply that integrating factor with the rest of the standard form equation in order to get this line here. And once I do, now I want to use the reverse product rule on the left side of the equation to get the derivative of e to the negative 8x times y. Because this cancels out given that, again, we're doing the reverse product rule. And when I multiply these two together and add what the power they're raised to, that gets me positive 3x. And now that I had this, I want to find the derivative of both sides. Well, no, the integrals of both sides. Which would eventually get me to e to the negative 8x times y. Now on the right side, I want to find the integral using u substitution. But first, in order to make things a bit easier, I would factor out 18 from the integral and focus on finding the integral for e to 3x dx. And I chose for u to make it 3x in order to make du into 1/3 du equals to dx in order to get this equation here. And now finding the integral, I can now plug this in. I can now multiply this with 18 in order to simplify it to get 6e to the power of 3x plus c, with my left side now being e raised to the power of negative 8x times y. Lastly, I want to divide both sides by the integrating factor of e raised to the negative 8x. So that way y is alone on the left side, and we could simplify the right side in order to get our general solution, which would get us 6 times e to the 11x plus c times e raised to the 8x, which gets us our answer here.